Hi guys, chat words. It's so good to see you. I'm asking a question. Turn the page. How are you? I like it. I want something. Something to eat. A snack food. Go to list. A Rice Krispie. I have an idea. It's an activity. Turn the page. Let's make something. Let's do cooking. Here are our cooking words. We're going to make Rice Krispies today. Oh, please stay. Okay, there's our words. Let's look at our schedule. First, we're going to cook Rice Krispies. Then we're going to eat Rice Krispies. And then we'll do a calendar activity. It's going to be so fun. I want to find a recipe. You can use your computer to find a recipe. I'm going to open a window in my browser and I'm going to go to tarheelreader.org. Uh-oh, I'm going to have to type it again. tarheelreader.org. Got it! Okay, now we're going to find a book and I'm going to type into the search bar crispy for Rice Krispie treat. And I'm going to see that there are 3 book options. I'm going to click on the Rice Krispie treat recipe I want. And since we need this to be high contrast for someone who might have a visual impairment, watch this. I can go to the setting wheel. I'm going to do this where you can see it maybe. I'm going to go to the setting wheel. I'm going to click color. I'm going to click page color and I'm going to make the pages black. And then back to settings, colors, text color, and I'm going to make the words yellow. Then I can also click a speech option and have a man.
How to make Rice Krispie treats.
A man read the recipe to me. So this is a great Tar Heel Reader app for books and recipes, and you can change the contrast. I'm going to use high contrast talking recipe. So, how to make Rice Krispie treats. I am ready.
How to make Rice Krispie treats.
How to make Rice Krispie treats.
Ingredients.
I see all the ingredients.
6 cups of Rice Krispie cereal.
Cereal? Okay. I want some cereal. And we're going to need a measuring cup. I got it out. We need to count 6 cups of cereal in my bowl. Can you help me? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's taste. It is so yummy. Nice job. Okay, is it ready? Yes, the Crispies are ready. Let's see what's next.
3 tablespoons of butter.
Butter. 3 tablespoons of butter. I've got the butter. And I've got a little bowl. We're going to put the butter in the bowl. This is my turn. It's in. Crispies, butter. Let's see what's next. We need more recipe. Ooh.
4 cups of mini marshmallows.
Oh, marshmallows are so yummy. I am definitely going to want to taste mine. I need to open my mellows. Can you hear it? It's a crunchy bag. It smells so yummy. I just pulled the cutting board out. Guys, I'm excited. I've never cooked these in the microwave before. Ah! Okay, here we go. We need 4 cups of marshmallows. Okay, 1. Oh God, this is so fun, you guys. This is so fun. Okay. Oh, I just want to taste it. Can you help me? 2. Good thing my hands are clean. Oh, they're falling. 3. 'This one is really full. 4. Okay. Is it ready? Looks good. Okay. Let's see. We've got Crispies, we've got marshmallows, we've got butter. What's next?
Lightly spray non-stick cooking spray into your pan.
It says we should spray the pan. I want you to know something about me. Spray bothers my nose. So I'm going to do something different. Not the same. I have my pan, and I have a little bit of oil, and I have a nice clean paper towel. I'm going to put a little oil in my pan, and I'm going to wipe it around with my paper towel. Then I don't have to spray, because that bothers my nose. Okay, ready? Go. Woo! She's greasy. Oh, the lid needs to go back on. Turn, turn, turn. Turn, turn, turn. Paper towel in. Rub, rub, rub. Guys, I'm getting so hungry and so excited. Hungry and excited. Oh, can you hear it? Sounds like foil. Foil, foil, foil. Okay. Oh, it's greasy, guys. It's greasy. Slippery. Whew. Okay. I think I got it. Woo! It's everywhere. Good job. Okay, let's next.
Cooking spray.
Remember, we didn't do the cooking spray. We used the oil.
Gather all the ingredients.
Crispies, marshmallow, butter, pan. We are ready.
Get a small bowl and microwave the butter for 10 seconds.
We need to put the butter in the microwave. It's open. Help me. Okay, now we're going to cook for 10 seconds. I'm watching it. I'm looking. I'm listening. The butter is in. Okay, let's see. Open. Ooh, it's getting soft. It needs more time. More. Oh, it looks the same. Look at this. It looks the same. There's their microwave with the butter inside. There's our microwave. Oh my goodness, it might be ready. Let's look. Perfect. It's melted. Smells yummy. Okay, microwave, butter, done.
Get a large bowl and melt the marshmallows for 30 seconds at a time.
I am so excited. I've never put marshmallows in the microwave before. I don't know what's going to happen. I need your help. And I think we're going to need to stir next. So let's get ready. Because I've never done this before, I have two different choices. We could stir with plastic or we could stir with metal. We're going to have to see what we need to do. But I know we're going to have to stir. Okay. Here we go. I'm watching. I have to watch really close. I don't know if you can... Oh, my goodness. Our recipe. Where'd you go, recipe? Oh, dear. Okay, I'm going to make one stir. I'm going to try this. Oh, guys, it's getting warm and soft. This is good. It smells good. It looks good. I'm stirring, stir, 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 and then I'll find our recipe again. Because we need that. I cannot make Crispies without a recipe. I bumped my touch screen. Tar Heel Reader Rice Krispie Treats. There we are. Don't bump it again, Mrs. Campbell. Look, the marshmallows in the picture are all over the place, and I don't want that. So I have to keep watching. Okay, guys. I'm going to open it again. I have to look. Woo! It's changing. Look what's happening, you guys. I'm so excited. It's melting. Guys! Oh, it smells like fruit. It's really sticky. I need my describing words. We're going to cook and then we'll describe. I'm going to go one more. Start. Because it wasn't all the way. I've made Crispies before and it kind of needs to be real soft so it can all mix together. Whoop. Sometimes you gotta keep, oh, it's growing! It's growing! You guys, it's growing! It's getting hot, but it's not too hot to touch. Oh, it's melted. It's melted. This looks great. Okay, now, this is looking really good. What's next? Oh, it smells so fruity.
Pour the melted butter into the melted marshmallows. Stir.
Here's our melted butter. Here's our melted marshmallows. Pour it all together. I'm going to put our bowl in the sink. And stir. Will they go together? Will it all work out? Guys, we need to stir, stir, stir. Help. Oh, things are very soft and mushy, and I don't know about this. Guys, it's turning a funny color. Okay, let's see what's next.
Pour the Rice Krispies into the mixture 1 cup at a time.
Oh, we're just going to dump it all together, guys. I don't know about this. It's really, it's so slimy. Cooking is so fun. It's all so tricky. Okay. I'm making a mess. Okay. More mess, Mrs. Campbell. I'm stirring. It's coming together nicely. Guys, it's working. I have to keep working. I want to taste it. It looks yummy. It never got too hot. It didn't ever get too hot. So it's not too hot. It's warm. It smells good. I'm really trying to mix it nice. Ugh. Guys, it's almost done. I did it. I did not know if this was going to work. More stirring. It's getting harder to stir. Okay, let's see what's next.
Transfer the Rice Krispie mixture into the pan and mix evenly.
Okay, we're going to, here's our pan, we greased it. Transfer the mix into the pan. That means move it over. We'll eat this later, it looks yummy. And now I'm going to put some of this grease on my hands. And it says we need to press it down even. Oh, it's working, guys, we did it! This is so exciting! We're moving fast, it never got too hot. It never did. It was just really a nice temperature in the microwave. But, I mean, you still want to be careful, but that was not too bad at all. Wow!
Place pan in the refrigerator for 20-30 minutes to harden.
We're going to put it in the refrigerator, guys. And then what?
Cut Rice Krispie treats with cookie cutters.
Oh my goodness. That sounds like so much fun. I have good news and bad news. Uh-oh. I don't have any cookie cutters. They're both on the ground, guys. This is not good. Let me tell you, Mrs. Campbell will have to get out another ring. I don't have any cookie cutters, but I found these jar rings, and we can use these. So we need to get them back out. And now we need to cut. We're going to cut our Krispies. They were resting. We did our cooking. Now we're going to do our cutting. This is so cool. Let me get a plate. Guys, I am so sticky. There's cereal everywhere, but it smells so yummy. I wasn't ready for this. We let them cool off. Now we cut them. Ta-da! Let's take it out. I'm going to wash my hands, and then we're going to find some more words in our book. I don't want to touch my AAC with my marshmallow hands. Okay. Woo! Guys, I want to show you something. Look at this. I made it with you. We made this Rice Krispie treat. And now I really like this, and uh-oh. I want to tell you something else. It's about now. It is a school activity. 25. We are going to eat lunch. We're going to eat our Krispie treat. Here it is. I have an idea. An activity. Go back to page 1. Oops. I want to eat something. Page 18. It's lunchtime, man. It's a snack food. We're finally going to get to eat our Rice Krispie treat. Go to list Rice Krispie treat. I am ready. It's yummy. Good luck!